Gentlemen, I was being asked to welcome you, but I cannot just come and say welcome and don't give in my comments. I have to say some of these comments, and I have many of them, but I'll summarize them. We have held meetings, Mr. President, as ULGA. We held one where we were elected in your district. We had another one in Busia. We had regional meetings. One was in ULGA, isn't it? For Northern Uganda. And today we are here. We come out with very good resolutions. Members contribute a lot. Members come out with very good suggestions. And ladies and gentlemen, I see very little coming out of it. And I want to thank the President and the team at the Secretariat for taking up all our initiatives, taking all our challenges, and presenting them to government. But I want to say that some of them have materialized and many of them are not materialized. And this and deliberate and just remain on paper. If you look at the resolution which was made in Yumbe, and if we go through the bin which I've seen in the file, I don't think any of them has worked out. And yet they were very important messages. Almost have no funding around the local government. There are a lot of challenges. The debt as well, road fund is very low, and the health facilities are not getting enough funding to run. This is the problem we have. I want us to remind ourselves, even as we sit here, this is one of the challenges we have. Look at the staffing gap. The staffing gap. For the last years I've been in local government, this is 2.5 years, we have not got a leeway to recruit new staff. And yes, some of the people, some of the vacancies are there. And we are graded and measured with those performance best. And we don't have people to do that work. And therefore, as the public service should give us leeway for us to recruit staff. We, like for Lira district, we have a very many important vacant positions that we are not being allowed to fulfill, to fill. And makes the work so difficult. Last year, we even tried to replace, they even refused. But I'm happy this year they have accepted us to replace. People are dying, people are retiring, people are moving from one job to another one, and you will remain without being replaced. But I'm happy this year they will allow us to replace. How do you expect local government to perform without staff? I look at the infrastructure, ladies and gentlemen. We have a lot of challenges with infrastructure. Let me give an example of Lira. Lira district gave birth to the city. We don't have offices now for us. How about the new sub-counties? We have about 6-7 new sub-counties and town councils without offices. They don't even have anywhere to sit. We don't even have enough money for renting those places. How do we operate? What do you expect out of us? I believe everybody has the same challenge, isn't it? We have the same challenge. And therefore, ladies and gentlemen, our sitting here should yield you fruits that we can see coming out of this. And look at the local government. Have they, the lower local government, do they have enough staff? For example, in Lira here, there are about 4 sub-counties without any staff being recruited, not even one. And one staff having 2-3 offices, technical staff, 2-3 offices. How do you expect such a sub-county to operate? When our president and secretary, this is the challenge. If we sit here and we deliberate and come up with a conclusion, this thing should be followed and allow us to recruit staff for the lower local government and even for the district government. I hope I'm making some sense. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to comment on transport. I want to thank our minister, you people. Let's clap for him in absentia. You may not know, you clap when. You may not know why I'm asking you to clap for him. This man is a man for the people of local government. I have attended meetings with him. He has presented our issues in the regional meeting where chairpersons sit. He has articulated our issues very well. He has even presented these cases I'm talking about to the ministers concerned, including Minister of Finance. Ladies and gentlemen, our secretariat, our ULGA team has done their work and presented this case. But as I talk now, do any chairperson of any local government in Uganda as a vehicle for transport? No. How about the cows? Nothing. Then they expect us to perform miracles by walking. Look at all other officers. If I mention them, you will feel even jealous. They have all new cars. The security team are well facilitated. Everybody has a new vehicle. And these LCVs, they have been given that much bikes. How do you expect the chairperson now to monitor the programs, which is the listing? They want us to perform, isn't it? To perform very well. In Arua, you want to perform very well by walking. And if you try to touch any vehicle of any department, you are being accused of misusing what? Government resources. Ladies and gentlemen, one chairperson, and I mean the president, this remains a very serious issue. Even as we discuss our meetings here today, I want us to put in mind some of these issues. Decentralization has become not a decentralization anymore in local government. If you believe in what I'm saying, I understand that we don't have any more decentralization. It's something similar to decentralization. Decentralization goes with power and authority, goes with funding and action. We were in Busia